Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you most delicious, unforgettable, and spectacular recipe of salted veggies with cauliflower, guys. So guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need these ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the olive oil. So in total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, approximately 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium-sized cauliflower, 1 piece of zucchini, 1 piece of medium-sized onion, 1 lemon, 1 green onion, 2 green spicy pepper, and 1 red pepper. Also, we are gonna need 3 pieces of garlic, guys. And then we are coming to our most beloved and wonderful spices, guys. So for the spices, guys, we are gonna use salt, red sweet pepper, black pepper, cumin, little bit of rosemary, and turmeric, guys. So let's do it, guys. Let's start cooking. I've opened the fire on the highest level, and so I'm gonna add first of all olive oil, 3 tablespoons. So 1, 2, and then 3. Then gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. Chopped onion, thinly chopped onion. I have cut the onion into 4 and I've cut into thin pieces, guys. So it goes first. The second bowl, we are gonna add our diced garlic, guys. Then guys, we are gonna mix it up. It's time for our red peppers that I've cut into this much size, and I've got also spicy green pepper, but I've got spicy big pepper in big pieces. In case if it's too spicy, I'm gonna take them out. So that's for that. I've cut our zucchini into half moon pieces, guys. It all gonna go in. Just mix them, guys. I have chopped cauliflower in this much tiny pieces. Usually I prefer them to cut bigger, but for this one I've cut them small. So basically we are gonna add our cauliflower on top of our veggies. Just mix them slowly and carefully. It's time for the spices to go in. So I've got here salt, red sweet pepper, black pepper, cumin, rosemary, and turmeric, guys. Just mix them all well. And then all these beautiful spices will go into our beautiful food. Just spread it around. Then guys, after that, I've got 1 lemon. I've cut it into 4 pieces. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice into this beautiful and healthy food to give the juiciness of the lemon here. So guys, it's time for us to mix this beauty. Look at it, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm already pumped up for the beautiful food, guys. Are you excited? Look at this beauty. So guys, I have tried the cauliflower, it's ready, and our sauteed veggies, they're ready long ago. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna close the fire and I'm gonna add, for the good taste and good smell, fresh green onions, guys. I love fresh green onions, especially this season, because they are fresh from the garden and they are ready to go with us. If you want more, guys, you can add more. Time to serve. Bon appetit, guys. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that you like veggies because I'm in love with vegetables and I like to make different recipes from vegetables. And so in order to stay healthy, just keep up eating vegetarian food, or also you can keep up eating our recipes. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice, good evening, guys. Goodbye.